This video is about the sweet health benefits of dates. It is known as the nature's power fruit. Dates, the delectably sweet and succulent fruit of the date palm tree, scientifically known as Phoenix dactylifer, have been revered for their numerous health benefits for centuries. This video delves into the remarkable advantages of dates, methods of consumption, and where to find this potent fruit that holds immense potential in enhancing overall health and well-being. What are the benefits of eating dates? 1. Rich in nutrients. Dates are a nutritional powerhouse, boasting essential vitamins and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and iron. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining good health and supporting bodily functions. Natural energy boost, due to their high natural sugar content, primarily glucose and fructose, dates provide a quick and sustainable energy boost. They are a popular choice among athletes and those needing an energy pick-me-up during the day. 2. Digestive health. Dates are an excellent source of dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion and preventing constipation. The fiber content helps regulate bowel movements and maintain a healthy gastrointestinal tract. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Dates are packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids and carotenoids, which combat harmful free radicals in the body. Antioxidants help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support a robust immune system. 4. Heart health. Dates have been associated with improved heart health. They contain potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke, heart disease, and other cardiovascular issues. 5. Improved bone health. Dates are rich in calcium, manganese, copper, and magnesium, essential minerals for bone health. Consuming dates regularly may help prevent osteoporosis and strengthen bones. 6. Supports brain health. Dates contain natural sugars like glucose and fructose that provide a quick energy boost to the brain, enhancing cognitive function and improving focus and alertness. 7. Potential anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests that dates may possess anti-inflammatory properties due to their rich content of flavonoids, which could help alleviate inflammation in the body. 8. Aids in weight management. Despite their natural sugar content, dates can be part of a healthy weight management plan due to their fiber content, which helps in controlling appetite and keeping you feeling full for longer. 9. Natural remedy for anemia. Dates are a good source of iron, making them a beneficial addition to the diet for those suffering from anemia or low iron levels. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin in the blood. How can you consume dates? Fresh dates. Simply enjoy fresh dates as they are. Remove the pit and savor the sweet, chewy fruit. Date smoothies. Blend dates with your favorite fruits and vegetables to create a nutritious and tasty smoothie. Date paste. Make a date paste by blending dates with a bit of water. Use this as a natural sweetener in baking and cooking. Stuffed dates. Stuff dates with nuts, cream cheese, or peanut butter for a delightful and nutritious snack. Date energy bars. Combine dates with nuts, seeds, and oats to make homemade energy bars for a quick and healthy on-the-go snack. Date syrup. Make a natural sweetener by boiling dates in water, then blending and straining the mixture. Where can you find dates? Dates are widely available and can be found in various forms, including fresh, dried, and as date products such as date syrup and date paste. Here are some common places to find dates. Grocery stores. Most grocery stores carry a selection of dates, both fresh and dried. They are usually found in the produce section or the dried fruits and nuts aisle. Specialty health food stores. Health food stores often have a wider variety of dates, including organic options and date-based products like date syrup. Local markets. Visit local farmers markets or specialized markets that focus on dried fruits and nuts. These often have a range of dates to choose from. Online retailers. Numerous online retailers offer a vast selection of dates and date products. You can easily find and purchase dates from the comfort of your home. Dates are a delightful and nutritious fruit, offering an array of health benefits and versatile ways to incorporate them into your diet. Whether consumed as a snack or used as a natural sweetener, dates are a powerhouse of nutrients and have rightfully earned their status as a superfood. Incorporating dates into your regular diet can contribute significantly to enhancing your overall health and well-being.